I'm going to do a walkthrough of the house. Once it's needed. The whole ceiling needs some new drywall. And I'm going to put a new flooring in this because I'm going to sell it. And I'm going to show you how to make money by flipping. This whole floor will be ripped off. This is going to be even up. We'll put drywall on top of it. It's going to be even up. Okay. Don't need that kind of design. Well, design it's supposed to be. I think all I need to do is just remove this. Okay. The whole kitchen is going to be replaced. The flooring, I'm going to remove all the flooring. I'm going to put vinyl flooring. And for the back room, this back room, mud room, it's gonna be the laundry room. All this will be ripped up and removed. Rip up and remove. Let's check upstairs. Well, the stairway will be redone. As you walk into this room right here, okay, all this will be removed. Okay, it will be with plywood only. You're not going to have wooden panel. The closet on this room is too small, too short. I don't think anybody can put anything on it. Not sure what the metal pipe is. All about mainly will be removed. Okay. I already done the ceiling. I already done this ceiling already. So this ceiling's fine. Just need to do fresh paint. And on this front room, I will remove all this and redo the closet. Okay. It will be a lot better looking closet. That mainly it. I'm going to show you how to make $100,000 on a flip. We'll start working on it next week. I'm going to show you step by step on how I'm working on this house. Alright, just follow me on YouTube. Alright, thank you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.